I have an immense amount of respect for people that have been doing it for as long as you have. I got to ask, because this is something that's been on my radar recently. Have you been part of a mentorship mastermind community, some sort of community that's really helped you to level up your game, stay accountable? This has been something I've noted with a lot of the after hours entrepreneurs that join the show. Is that something you've been a part of?
Yeah, two thoughts on that. First, I have a business partner who is my polar opposite, literally the yin to my yang. And I remember when we started this, I said, if we're going to be successful, it's going to be that we stay together despite our extreme differences. Because your natural instinct would be to try to find somebody that you are the most similar with, like go into business with your best friend. And we had enough, I think, discipline and insight to understand what we need is compliments.
Yeah.
You're, somebody that's whose strengths are my weaknesses. So I really don't advise solo entrepreneurship. I think that finding a partner is going to increase your odds of success. And then, I think I also underestimated in the early days the difficulty. I was an employee. Like I grew up thinking my dream job was to be the CMO of a Fortune 100 company. I was kind of bred to believe that employeeship was the path of, it was at least my path, maybe not the path of least resistance. And when I was exposed to entrepreneurship and decided to make the plunge into entrepreneurship, I underestimated that as a discipline, as a craft, as a skill.
Yeah.
And so I needed to learn it. You don't learn entrepreneurship very well in MBA programs, as an example. So my business partner and I joined a group called Strategic Coach. They have programs in Chicago and Toronto, and it puts you together with 50 other entrepreneurs of similar sized but non-competitive businesses. Mm-hmm. And it's a great network and a lot of advice about how to help keep an entrepreneur focused and motivated, and what are the KPIs for success, it's been very, very valuable.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.